Arduino UNO, jumper cables, ultrasonic sensor, USB-A/B connector. Ultrasonic sensor has 4 pin, one power, another one ground, another one trigger ultrasonic sound, another one echo receiver. So now let's connect the ultrasonic sensor to Arduino UNO. Ground should go to ground, trigger should go to we are connecting that to digital pin number. We will connect to digital pin, one digital pin, and echo one digital pin, power supply into power supply 5 volt. Right? So let me start with ground. So ground is this corner, okay. Let me take this wire for the ground and connect the ground to the Arduino UNO ground. So this is a second old pin is the ground pin, connect it, and third one is echo. As per our coding, the echo should go to pin number 10 in the ultrasonic. So connect the echo. It should go to pin number 10. Pin number 10 here. Pin number 8, 9, 10. So connect this one. So next one is trigger. Use the blue wire. Connect trigger. It should go to pin number 9 in the pin number 9. Next one is power supply. Last one is power supply voltage 5 volt. Connect and you go to 5 volt ground. One more ground is the next one is 5 volt. Now connect the Arduino UNO to the computer. Arduino UNO to the computer. Upload the code. Upload the code. Now the device is ready for measuring the distance. You can measure the room width and height or any direction. 4. Eight. 12. 16. 17. 22, 22, 28,